Hey guys, how's it going? What's good? I hope you guys are ready for some food. Today I'm eating some rice cakes and ramen. I made that's the packet of ramen that I made. It's a spicy kimchi. I've eaten it before in one of my videos. But I added some rice cakes and then I also added some gochujang and some red pepper flakes. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be eating. This is what it looks like. Hopefully it's cooled down a bit. Let me just put this away. You guys, it is really late. Like, so late that I shouldn't even be eating. And my neighbors shouldn't be awake, but they are. I just heard them. Okay, anyways. So today I'm going to be giving shout outs. I'm a little quiet for that reason also because it's so late. So my kids are sleeping. So that's why my voice is a little bit more quieter. So yeah, let me show you guys what this looks like up close. I topped it with some mozzarella cheese. So I know you guys have seen me eat this before, but this is like one of my guilty pleasures. Oh, there's a rice cake. I think all the noodles soaked up all the sauce. We'll see. I wish I had kimchi or something crunchy to go with this, but I don't, unfortunately. And yes, I am eating straight out of the pan. So, I hope you guys had an awesome weekend. Mine was pretty good. Today is actually my wedding anniversary. And Jose and I went out on Saturday because we're not going to be able to celebrate it today. I think my daughter's awake. Maybe not. Yeah, so Jose and I went out on Saturday. Was it Saturday? Yeah, it was Saturday. My days are all mixed up. Okay, so I'm back. My mic shut off. I don't know when it shut off. But then I also, I saw something out of the corner of my eye. And when I looked over, the first time I didn't see anything. But then the second time, it looked like somebody was shining a flashlight through my front window. So now I'm really freaked out. But I have alarms, so I'm really freaked out right now. Okay, so I need to keep an eye on this, make sure it doesn't go off again. I've been having mic problems. So yeah, Saturday, Jose and I celebrated our wedding anniversary. We went out to the Cheesecake Factory. And I ordered a shrimp pasta And of course, we got the avocado egg rolls. I like the Cheesecake Factory because their menu is so big that you can get something different every time. I have a fork just in case. So I saw Hungry Herbivore ASMR. She was eating rice cakes and my mouth was watering like the whole time. And I didn't think I had any, but I rummaged through my freezer and I was able to find a little bit of what was left of a bag that I had. And I didn't have the sauce that I usually cook with my rice cakes because I just buy the bottled kind. I've tried making it myself homemade, but it doesn't turn out very good. So I just found some ramen that I could use that I liked that wasn't too spicy. Because the last time I did a noodle, my ASMR noodle, I didn't think it was going to be spicy. Like, yeah, sure, the package said it was spicy, but I didn't think it was going to be as spicy as the fire noodle. Come to find out, it's spicier than the fire noodle. So I was eating it, and then I thought it was just that it was so hot because I had a hard time eating it. I let the noodles cool down and then I restarted the video. And I started eating it, and then it got spicy. It turned into a challenge. If you guys saw that video, I'll link it up above if you haven't seen it yet. Yeah. But anyways, Lisa, she was eating these and I was able to find some, so I cooked some up. They are so good. They're like chewy. On their own, there's no flavor. They have no flavor. So they'll taste like whatever you cook it with. But they're really chewy. They're really filling. I feel like when you're eating them, you don't realize how full you are. And then like 20 minutes after you're done, you're full because I feel like they expand in your stomach or something. I think it's just rice, like compacted rice or something. I don't know, but they're really good. If you have issues with texture, chewy texture, you probably won't like these. All right, I'm gonna get something to drink because I forgot to grab something. And then we'll get into the shout outs. All right, I'm back with I think it's pronounced Izzy. And this is the sparkling blackberry flavor. It's just flavored juice with concentrated natural flavors. Oops. And it's carbonated. My favorite flavor of those is the grapefruit. Okay, so shout outs. I wrote them down. Hopefully I was able to find all of them because it has been a while. So the first shout out goes to Samantha. Hi Samantha, thank you so much for watching my videos. The next shout out goes to Marsha Singley. What's up, girl? Thank you so much for commenting and watching my videos. So good. My mic shut off again. So I'm going to redo the last the last 5 names just in case. So Katie Ellis, thank you so much. Alma J, thank you. And Yo Boy Grumpy, thank you so much for watching my videos and always commenting and showing me support. And then the last 2 names that I'm going to give a shout out to, I haven't really seen them comment before. They just plain out asked for a shout out, which is okay, you know, whatever. They didn't like leave any remarks or anything, but I'll still give you a shout out because I'm cool like that. So if you want support for your channel, I don't know what help I can give, but first one goes to Jalen Hall, and last but not least, official.naya. So I hope you guys are still connected with my channel and still watching me. If not, that's okay. And to everybody else who watches my videos and don't comment or interact or anything, I still love you guys. And if you guys want a shout out, hit that post notification bell and make sure that it has the 2 lines at the top. And then when you guys are done, just say done. When you guys are done. So from here on out, I'm just going to do post notification shout outs. So just let me know that you guys are post notified, if that makes sense. I don't even know. Just comment done if you have it done, and then I will give you guys a shout out. But I think I'm going to do just maybe 2 shout outs per video. For everybody that comments done, I'll just pick 2 random people and give you guys shout outs that way. That way I don't have such a long list, which I know, like, I have more subscribers than I did back when I first posted, when I first posted my chili cheese fries video, which is the very first video which I started doing shout outs. So from here on out, I'm just going to give shout outs to people who have their post notifications turned on. So when you have that done, just comment done, and maybe leave me another, you know, nice comment, not anything rude or anything. And I will pick 2 people in all the videos coming forward to give shout outs to. Easy and simple. This way it's easier on me too, because I do have more subscribers. And sometimes it's just hard to go through all of the comments. Like, I would screenshot it, but then to go back through all of my pictures and then all of my past, you know, all of my other screenshots, it's kind of hard sometimes. Oh, noodles. I want to know how your guys' summer is going. Do you guys have any planned vacations? What are you guys doing for the summer? I don't have any plans. House hunting. That's about it. My hair is falling out. I always feel like I have a hair. Sorry. I always feel like I have a hair on me. But yeah, so this summer we don't really have any planned vacations. Just some getaways. Some camping and stuff like that. You know, we'll make our random trip to the beach or we're pretty much just going to stay local this summer. Jose and I were potentially talking about potentially going back to Mexico in December. But we're not sure yet because we don't know if we're going to be in a house by then. And what if we are and then we need money for, you know, to get the house updated, depending on what kind of house we move into. There's just all these what ifs, and I'm the type of person that likes to be prepared. So I've been very, what's the word I'm looking for? Very particular, or very, I don't know. I've been saving like all of my money. Well, not all of it, but we've been saving and it's been staying put. And I just don't want to touch it, you know? Because before we would save and then we'd plan vacations. And then we'd save again. And then we'd plan something. Well, for the last like 2 years, I've just been saving and saving and saving. It's kind of slowed down a little bit right now. Just because I'm not working. And I have a couple of credit cards that I want to be paid off because I have like 0% interest and I need those to be paid off before the promotion time ends. Because I'm not trying to be paying interest on no credit cards. Okay? Because when I was younger, I was kind of dumb. but I only have 2 credit cards and they're finally going to be paid off. Ooh. Yeah. So I'm not gonna eat anymore, guys. I will be too stuffed if I eat those. I could eat it, but I'll be way too stuffed. I've been feeling much better mentally, so maybe I'll have another mukbang out for you guys this week. We'll see. This is so good. It tastes like it almost tastes like grape juice, like sparkling grape juice. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to rate this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and click that post notification bell and comment done if you would like a shout out, and I will pick 2 of you guys to shout out in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.